দুইটা কথা বলবেন। I am Assistant Chief Advisor of All Assam Manipuri Youth Association. Today's student demonstration is organized by All Assam Manipuri Youth Association and Manipuri National jointly. Jointly, it's demanding Manipuri National, Manipuri Autonomous Council for the unified Manipuri in Assam. You know, Manipuri is inhabiting in Assam since the 15th century, long back, and there has been lots of cultural exchanges during the evolution of the present Assamese generation also. But the problem is that we have been successfully neglected by the governments, and we have been politically, socially, economically deprived. In this situation, government actually have turned a blind eye to our demands. Okay. On 18 February 2018, we submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam demanding Manipur political autonomy. At the time also, we didn't get any type of positive response. So today's student demonstrations is a follow-up to that action, of course. But today again, if the government turns a blind eye to us, there will start lots of agitations. We may start non-cooperation movement. We may start blocking the railroad and so many other things. Okay, you will disturb the government procedures. So I would like to request the government of Assam